Okay, hello everyone. So this is the last tutorial in functions. So I guess I have tried my best to explain functions, and hopefully if you follow or have followed all of my tutorials, you guys already know what exactly is a function. So last but not the least, I would like to mention something known as anonymous function. So if you talk about function in general, in functional programming, functions are referred as first-class citizens. Means use function by declaring it inside a variable, as I've shown in the previous tutorial, using function as an argument inside another function, and using function without a name, wrapping it inside a parenthesis. So we would discuss what exactly is an anonymous function. So if you now suppose if you write let profile name equals to this, which means you are not naming any function, okay? And if you write console log, so you could have also written the ES5 way, let profile name equals to function. So now if you just invoke it, okay, you're still putting the function inside of a variable. So if you want, you can do something else, okay? If you want, suppose let profile func, okay, let us write it first the ES5 way. Okay, let us write a function profile func, and if you console log this, now let us invoke this function and see what we get. Okay, so here you see you get the same, you get profile name and profile func. Now if I don't want to name this function, okay? So I want to wrap everything inside a parenthesis, and while I wrap it, I don't want this to have any name. But if I now comment this out and if I run this script, you see what will happen. Okay, so I don't get profile func. Thing is that I have not invoked this function, okay? You still need to invoke the function even if you don't write any name, and you also don't put it inside a variable, okay? Yes, so the ES6 way of writing, these are called self-executing anonymous function, okay? ES6 way of writing it. Okay, so hello world. Now if you want to invoke this, okay, so if you run this script, yeah, so now I guess the concept of anonymous function is very much clear. So you can functions are treated as first-class citizens when we consider functional programming. Using function by declaring it inside a variable, using function as an argument inside another function which is known as a callback function, and using function without a name, wrapping it inside a parenthesis like this. So I guess we are very much clear with functional programming, and functions in JavaScript. So something more important coming up on our way is known as objects. So as of now we are done, and let's catch up in the object section, and which is, I believe, very much easy. So